What is up, everybody? Hans is right here. Today is the vlog. I want to let you guys know that I started to make a lot of new contents, and you can see the differences between right here and before. That I just added a lot of new techniques right here, like a micro progress. So for the people who start struggling with making videos without subscribers, without viewers, don't worry about them. Start to uploading a lot, and finally you will feel like, oh, this is my habit. I don't need to ask someone to push me to make videos. It's just like you are still making progress, but it's like a micro progress that leads to a compound effort. So finally, if you start to keep making contents to see the views, you are going to understand which part is something that you are good at, which part is something actually truly care about. So based on those situations, you are going to make progress. That is something that I want to share. And I started to make a lot of progress, and in the past I was struggling, because I'm not thinking of, oh, right now I'm just making content I'm just making it for fun. I'm just making mine for myself. If you truly want to grow your channel, start to actually use something that actually works. So you see some popular YouTubers, they just added some elements inside, like subscribe or something. That will definitely going to boost your contents. Also, you need to understand keywords. So because I started to add some keywords in my own channel, and people can easily find my channel, also gave them some signals. Hey, before you watching this video, you need to click the notification. Why I'm asking myself to do this? Because some people might follow you, but if they not click the notification, so even though you just upload some videos, they still cannot find it. They still cannot get the latest notification from your videos. So you still won't get subscribers. That's the one thing. The second thing is you should introduce them what your channel is all about, because some viewers are from a content from YouTuber recommend. So YouTube recommend you, but they still don't know what your channel is all about. They won't follow you. So you can still not grow your subscribers. So before making videos, at first 5 seconds, you should tell them, hey, this video, I'm making this because who is my audience? Let them know. Then they will going to follow you later on. And the third step is you should start to make directly lead to the point that you want to make something and let them feel or learn something through your content. Always remember content first. Don't worry about this is a niche market that already popular. You are unique living beings. So show your value, show your content, show your lifestyle, show some useful contents. I'm guaranteed my channel is still growing, even though it's kind of slow, but it's growing faster than before. And I have more passions now to make this YouTube channel and keep updating new contents. As a vlog, as a self-talk, as something that I'm making right now. I hope you guys get some inspiration no matter what you do for YouTube channel, for whatever the actions you are taking, start a business. Go ahead and just make a progress, micro progress, and learn from others. I hope you guys enjoyed this short vlog, and I'm gonna keep grinding. I see you on the next one. Peace.